Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss how to take the input from the user in Python. Input function is used to take the input from the user in Python. Let's see with practical example here. First of all, I'm going to declare a variable name and call here the function input, and within the bracket pass the message whatever you want to print onto the screen. Just write here enter the name, and this message will be printed onto the output screen. When the user enter the name value assigned into the name variable, and with the help of print function print the value of name. Just write here print and type here the name variable and save it and run it. Okay, and write here the name as a Vikas, and this will print here this is print the Vikas here. And now this function always return the string value. So if you want to take the integer value or int value or floating type value, what we do? Python offers two functions for taking the int value, the int function, and for the float value, float function. So I'm going to use here the int function. Just write here int and close the bracket here. Now write here number and variable as x and print the value of x here. Okay, save it and run it. Okay, enter the number here 20, and this is print the 20 here. Now I am going to use the float because I want to take the float value from the user. So just write here float and enter the number with the fraction. Now save it and run it. Pass here the value as a 20.2 and the output is 20.2. Okay, if you use here the int and with the fraction, it will give the error report. Just save this program and run it. I'm going to pass here the 20.1. This will give the error here. Now you will understand what is the use of float and int and the input function. Thank you friends. Please like and comment my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.